Devotees of Bhagwan Shri Krishna Ji, I extend my profound respect for you all. Today it is 30th of July 2024. Let's practice Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Mantra 51, Chapter 2. Let's begin with our Harinam Jap.
ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय नमः.
Let's first see what it has to say in English.
The wise, who have given up attachment to the results of their actions and are thus freed from the bondage of rebirth, they reach a place which is beyond all evils.
So, the shortcut has been established by Bhagwan Shri Krishna Ji for all of us to follow and be in equanimity with our feelings. This particular aspect we learn from nature, where all living beings in their respective roles and the respective yonis are performing their duty selflessly across the time and space in which time immemorial it has been happening. We the humans, let's detach ourselves from the results. This is the essence. Now let's see in the original Sanskrit language.
कर्मजं बुद्धियुक्ता हि फलं त्यक्त्वा मनीषिणः जन्मबन्धविनिर्मुक्ताः पदं गच्छन्त्यनामयम्.
It reads, कर्मजं बुद्धियुक्ता हि फलं त्यक्त्वा मनीषिणः जन्मबन्ध विनिर्मुक्ताः padam gachanti anamyam. This has to be reminded by us to the God Himself. Let's learn it very clearly that entire nature, all living beings, whether movable or immovable like trees and plants, they all are observing Nishkam Karma. Each one of them in their respective role is performing his duty without any attachment. Be it earth, water, fire, air, or space, all of them perform their duty selflessly. They don't ask in return from us anything. If you pluck a fruit from a mango, mango doesn't ask for the cost of it. And endlessly such examples across the time and space are available. Let's also as human beings adhere to Nishkam Karma, because we are the Arjunas of 21st century and we are already facing a Mahabharat in the name of or in the form of pollution. Let's get united and get rid of this evil and get beyond this evil. Let's hear it in musical form.
नित बुद्धि युक्त हो कर्म के फल त्यागते मतिमान है वे जन्म बंधन तोड़ पद पाते सदैव महान है.
Now, Purnahuti of this particular episode.